Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The stock market is a whole world on its own, and probably all the investors and people who are part of this community are fully familiar with the name of Cathie Wood. The CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood is investing greatly, buying the shares of the Coinbase company as it went public. So why is she buying $1 million Coinbase stock? Well, you would soon know everything about it here in the video. Now, if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button and give this video the biggest thumbs up and press the bell icon so that you get notified for our future posts. Cathie, having one of the strongest ETFs in the crypto world, is now aiming higher, investing in Coinbase with $1 million. Coinbase, as you know, is the largest crypto exchange in the USA and third largest in the world. The company officially became public on April 14th, starting from $250 per share. Its market cap was $65.3 billion. As she took this huge step forward, she appeared on an interview to BNN Bloomberg and said that as she decided to invest, there is a high risk of volatility and instability, which we know is normal in the concept world of stock market. As a matter of fact, Coinbase has a whole lot of various crypto assets. The performance of each of these assets doesn't matter individually. And the reason is that Coinbase will automatically benefit from the transactions that represent the vast majority of its revenue. She also shed some light on what the analysts think will happen and said that all the predictions seem valid only if one knows what exactly Coinbase is. She said, "It makes most of its money on trading of Bitcoin and Ether. Those are the two biggest, and it's going into a lot of other cryptocurrencies and crypto assets, so it's got a lot of open-ended opportunities, but right now they're making about 70 basis points on each trade, on each dollar traded. You just have to be a little more patient because it's all about timing." You can see that from the past couple of weeks, the crypto market cap has left the market worth $1.55 trillion valuation dollars worldwide. Now that we're talking about Cathie Wood, one can see her success association with companies like Tesla, Square, and so many others that pay off extremely well. She's known to be quite bullish on the Coinbase. This is her 9th biggest holding in the 170 companies combined. Coinbase is found on ARK K Fund, ARK F Fund, and ARK W Fund. Let's start looking at each one of them in detail. In ARK, there are 55 holdings, and out of those, Coinbase is ranked at number 10. It holds almost 3 million shares, which is worth over $700 million. Since the company got public, Wood has been buying stock almost every day. We can estimate how delicately she's handling the stocks, and according to her, this cryptocurrency is at its initial stages. Then we have the next fund, the ARK F Fund, and there are 44 holdings, out of which Coinbase is ranked number 12. It holds 460,000 shares, which is worth $107 million. And just like ARK K, she is investing in it in every single trading day possible. Moving on to the last one, we have the ARK W Fund. There are 51 holdings in this fund, and Coinbase is ranked at number 10. It holds 772,000 shares, which is worth $180 million. Its buying pattern is the same as for the other two funds. The thing about ARK K is that it has dropped to 30% since the mid of February 2021. But they've also been receiving a great deal of profit, mostly from its investments from gene editing to Tesla. The ARK Fund has given a 45% annualized return over the past 5 years. Its managed assets had grown to assets of $50 million. As for the Coinbase, one thing that we all can be certainly predicting is that the ups and downs faced by the stocks, the prices of these stocks are decreasing. And with that comes the golden opportunity to buy the stocks and invest. According to experts, an analyst of Tip ranks Coinbase is a moderate buy. The average price target is $388.86. The lowest price estimated is $225 per share, and the highest one is $650 per share. The analyst rating highly recommends buying it. There are 10 buy and 4 hold recommendations. It is very important to mention that it is not exactly the best opportunity, as many people have lost money and faced loss in this stock. And as for Cathie Wood, her experience has kind of been the same. She has lost a lot of money in this investment, but she is constantly buying stock despite her loss. Her endeavors in this stock market are not frail. We can look back at her decision of investing in Tesla that proved to be right with time. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, please go subscribe to our channel and comment and let us know what you feel about Coinbase and if you believe that Cathie Wood is correct. We'll be looking forward to your comments. Until then, we'll see you next time.